ready to unlock a treasure trove of Roblox goodies right from your fingertips. Let's dive into redeeming your Roblox gift card on your phone, step by simple step. First things first, make sure you have the Roblox app installed and ready to go. If not, head over to your app store and download it. It's completely free. Once it's installed, tap the icon to launch the app. Alright, now that you're in the app, log into your Roblox account. Once you're logged in, look towards the bottom of your screen. You should see a row of icons. Tap on the three dots icon labeled More. Tapping the More button reveals a whole new menu of options. Scroll down this list until you see gift cards and give that a tap. On the gift cards page, you'll see a button that says Redeem Card. Tap it. This is where the magic happens. Now, carefully scratch off the protective layer on the back of your physical Roblox gift card to reveal the code. If you have a digital gift card, find the code in your email or wherever you received it. Enter this code precisely into the code box, paying close attention to capitalization. Double check that you've entered the code correctly. Once you're sure it's right, hit that redeem button. Boom! You should see a confirmation message that the Robux have been added to your account. Now you can head to the avatar shop and treat yourself. Happy gaming!